So today you have leads. What next? When a lead is sitting in your database, how are you going to make the lead buy your product? You know how? You want to try? Leads have been nurtured. You can collect a further lead by they just sit in your database. You have the name, you have the email, you have the inquiries, but these can be quiet, they can be silent. How do you engage them? So with HubSpot, you can email them in their different segments with very beautiful templates. This is a template in HubSpot, an email template. I'm sharing my own information. So we all know that things need to be nurtured in a way that if a guy came and inquired about a smartphone, you want to showcase what smartphones you have, where you have them, how you have them, maybe tips of how to use a smartphone, how to replace a smartphone, how to take care of a smartphone. So once the lead gets these regular emails from you, he will trust your product, you're building your credibility, and you become an authority in the industry. So HubSpot does all this in one space. You don't get a form or a form tool that does all these marketing aspects in one area. This is something that blew me away when I first saw it about HubSpot. This is our lady called Joanne. This information stays here though, but this is my own information. So Joanne came to my website and looked through different pages. She first went to a page called, these are her page views. She went to a page, my home page, then she went to my product page. So HubSpot was tracking her information. HubSpot has a trail, has a track. It tracks your lead flow. Your lead, when a lead comes to your page and goes to your product page and goes to your pricing page, that's a very serious lead. HubSpot will tell you. HubSpot has that information. Then I can email that lead with information that's targeting her and her exact need. So that lead will easily convert because I know what the lead wants. Are we clear? So how do I integrate HubSpot to my WordPress website? As you all know, WordPress is about plugin. Yeah. So there's a plugin that integrates HubSpot CRM to WordPress CMS. It's a free version, but as all free versions go, if you want to use more of it, you pay. But HubSpot gives you so much free stuff that you won't have to use the paid version. I have free contacts, up to maybe 1 million contacts. I have free emails a month, 2,000 emails a month. I don't think you're going to run 2,000 emails in 30 days as you're starting. If you can do 2,000 emails and more in 30 days, then you can afford to pay. Thank you very much. I hope I've converted you to become a HubSpot CRM user. Have I? Thank you very much. Last year, on my website, I had a CRM, HubSpot, for forms, capturing data, and I also had MailChimp for email marketing. I had 2 databases. I would collect my users in HubSpot and export them in a CSV to MailChimp. Last year, HubSpot didn't do emails. They were just focusing on lead capture. But this year, HubSpot went into the email marketing business. And believe me, you won't get a template MailChimp that's easy to work with. Design an email template in MailChimp that looks as simple as this. You know how to go behind a code and maybe change a few HTML tags. And you don't want to do that as a marketer. So, knock yourself out, explore HubSpot, and you'll be amazed. Have I done the put answer your question? Yes, sure. We have a big session later on, and I'm around here tomorrow. I made this email template in 30 seconds. You just drag your logo, you drag your header image. This is text. You can go, you can italicize, you can hyperlink. You won't get a better email marketing tool than HubSpot. Any questions? My time is up.
I tried the free version and I thought it was really amazing because it saved templates of common answers and so on. But I seemed to use up the free whatever it was very quickly. I don't know if I got a 30-day free trial, but then after 30 days I didn't get access to anything.
When you have HubSpot, your coach is very busy. You have more than 2,000 subscribers.
Well, no, I think at that time I had a bit less than 2,000, but I was just, and I hadn't connected all my contacts. It was just within Gmail. I used something.
My experience with HubSpot is that you need to, for emails, when you clock 2,000 emails in 30 days, you won't send more emails.
Does the 2,000 include the frequency of you sending more than one email to those 2,000 emails?
Comes an email. If your subscription list has 2,000 emails and you send 2,000 emails, it's a count. If you send 100 today, 200 tomorrow, those are 300 in 30 days, or in a month, in a calendar month.
This is what I mean. 2,000 emails. So today I have sent an email to 2,000 people.
Yes.
Then I send another email to the same 2,000 people. So
No, it counts emails, not contacts. If you send today 2,000 emails, you've maxed up your 2,000 emails. You have to wait for another month.
So you can only communicate once.
No.
So
So you communicate once. It's a calendar month. And marketers, email marketing works perfectly. There's nothing like an email marketing. If I had more time, as well as around, if I had more time, I'd show you the analytics that comes with emails. Once you put that email to 2,000 contacts, you get real-time analytics of who's viewing it, who has opened it, what links they have clicked. You know that maybe Enoch has clicked on a link that says buy phone, so you know Enoch is interested. How many times he has clicked it, all that information is captured when he has opened it. So marketers who will want to know if my links are open my email. Thank you very much.